Hey, Lost Ark community, Kitty King TV here, and today I'm going to help you guys with the quest, Prisoner Emancipation. So, as you can see, this is one of those quests that don't show you exactly where it's at on the map, but you know it's here somewhere. So you can actually go through, not this way, but over here. If you go a little bit deeper, it's going to be on the right side here where the prison cells are and whatnot. You could actually go through some of the cell doors. So you just have to find the cell door. It's going to be over here. And boom, you can walk through this. And it doesn't really show on the map. See, it's outside the map here. And this is how you get to the prisoners. This is one of the ones that, of course, kind of confused me because it doesn't show on the map. Oh. And boom, you can see the prisoners are in here. Just click G to liberate them. Prisoner shaking with anxiety. Will you pay the bond fee? The bond to free this prisoner. 600 pirate coins. And boom. That one's free. Makoko seed.
Congratulations. You can leave this place now.
Makoko seed.
Although I have a feeling we'll see you again.
If I can free him. Free him. So I free them 5 times. They just keep respawning here. This one's 300. This one's 600 pirate coins, and they just keep respawning. Here you can also find some to liberate in this right room over here. To the broker who's selling them. In this room in the back here, you can free one for 1,500 pirate coins. Once you've freed 5 of them, you just go and get your certifications. That's going to be in the box over here. Talk to the mail carrier. Boom. And they'll send you them all. So you just accept all. Boom. Have 5. And it'll only let you do up to 5, of course. And then once you do that, you could just take the stuff right over here. To Daybreak Rita. Talk to her, of course. Rita kind of thick. And yeah, that's going to be the quest. Hope this helps some of you guys out. I know at first I was confused on this quest. I had no clue what to do, so I just left and came back, tried again, and boom, got it done. So hopefully this helps some of you guys, and I will see you guys on the next guide. Don't forget to leave a like and subscription if this helped you out at all. And we also stream over on twitch.tv/KittyKingTV. So come check us out. Love to see you guys there, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.